Hey guys, it's me the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. Well, today I'm going to show you a very different yet healthier version of butter chicken. Well, the best part is I don't need any pots and pans. All I need is this all-in-one Heelseo superheated steamer. Well, without further ado, let's begin. For the perfect butter chicken, it's important to marinate the chicken. For that, I'm going to begin with ghar ka jama dahi or curd. Moving on to red chili powder. And this is the red chili that gives you good color as well as a little spice. You can of course choose your mix. To this, I'm going to add in paste of ginger garlic and just a little bit of green chili. With this, I'm going to add in garam masala powder. And finally, salt as required. Let's add in the chicken, which is 300 grams of boneless chicken breast. This has been washed nicely and sliced into a little thin pieces. Let's mix all of this together. Finally to this, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of oil. Let's mix this well and keep this aside to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Well, in the interim, we're going to fill water in the water chamber because remember the fact that this is a superheated steam oven and the steam comes from here. We need to fill this till level 2 and now let's put it back. The chicken pieces are marinated and ready. Let's put this on the baking tray. Let's place the tray in the upper position. Let's set the Heelseo on superheated steam convection. Select manual. Select bake and roast. Set the temperature to 230. And let's bake this for 45 minutes. Simple. While the chicken is getting cooked, you'd all be wondering what superheated steam means. Well, let me explain. Heelseo converts water into high temperature steam, which is utilized for grilling, baking and roasting, which ensures that the flavors are preserved without causing any loss of nutrients. Well, let's move on to the next step, and that is making the gravy. Let's begin. Begin with tomatoes, roughly cut. Well, the good part about cooking chicken in Heelseo is that the food gets steamed. And that way, the vitamins and minerals remain intact. Let's move on to slicing onions. Let's transfer all the ingredients in a large bowl. Let's begin with sliced red onions. To this, we're going to add in roughly cut tomatoes. And let's start adding in the rest of the ingredients. Cashew nuts for creaminess. Some cloves of garlic. Red chili powder. Again, a good mix of color as well as just a touch of spice. Salt as required. Kasuri methi, which is lightly toasted. White vinegar. This is going to add in a touch of sourness. Sugar for sweetness. Of course, you can use brown sugar as well. You can also use jaggery. A touch of garam masala. And a small knob of butter. Let's mix all of this. While the chicken is cooked and ready, let's bring it out of the oven. And you can see how well the chicken is cooked. Well, the super steam technology ensures that the texture does not change and the flavors are packed inside. And the best part is we haven't added any extra oil, so your health and fitness goals remain in check. Now that our gravy mix is ready in a bowl, the next step is to fry this for 5 to 6 minutes. So let's place this in the oven. We need to select microwave on manual mode and cook it at 100% for 5 minutes. It's been 2.5 minutes. Let's stop this. And the whole idea of this is to stir this once. Let's put this back for the remaining amount of time. And allow this to continue cooking. Now that 5 minutes are up, let's change the mode. Super steam convection on manual. Super steam bake or roast without preheat. 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Let's check our gravy. The gravy has cooked perfectly well. Let's stir this off. The next step is to churn this into a fine puree. Now, butter chicken or chicken makhani, as we all know, is a smooth, velvety textured gravy. So the next step is to churn this into a fine puree. I'm going to sieve this and bring it back. Our butter chicken gravy is sieved and ready. Let's add in the cooked chicken pieces. To this, I'm also going to add in some butter, like a tablespoon or so. Now you'd be wondering, with so much butter, how is this healthy? Well, trust me when I say, the oven will make it healthy by removing the unwanted fat and salt and serve the food fresh and nutritious. Let's stir this well. Let's place this in the oven. Let's select microwave, manual, 100%, 5 minutes. Our butter chicken will be ready in 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and our butter chicken is done and ready. Let's bring this out of the oven. And let's serve this. Well, it's smelling so wonderful, really tempting. Let's add in a tiny knob of butter, and along with this, a green chili. I can't wait to taste. Well, the flavors of the masalas are fresh And I must also admit that the low oxygen cooking of Heal's superheated steam oven has retained the essential nutrients while reducing the fat and salt. Isn't that wonderful? As I said earlier, I'm not going to use any pots and pans. If you have a compact kitchen, this all-in-one Heal's superheated steam oven is all you need. Well, it's got convection, microwave and steam function. It's not just a microwave, it's a health revolution. On that note, if you've liked the video, do not forget to add a comment, and for more such videos, keep watching Get Curried.